there's a piece of the necklace which was never completed. Actually, my wife up there, Ann, and I wrote a Globe editorial in 1988 saying, gee, do this, right? It was only 80 years after the fact. It's now 100 years after the fact. So there's a 2-mile-long piece that was supposed to be like the Arbor Way, like the J-Way, to connect Franklin Park to actually the harbor. Therefore, the necklace would be complete, water to water, right? There's movement amongst us in the city, and Boston 2030 identified that as an issue and so forth. But I think the people along that route may not necessarily think of it as a completion of a network as much as a better sidewalk, more greenery, a wider path. Maybe some would think about stormwater. Certainly they would think about safer places than currently exist along Columbia Road for getting to school and so forth. So I think that people talking about network is important. Olmsted says, what was the Emerald Necklace but a network? Right? We're just expanding it.